I am passionate about food, and we are blessed to live in Singapore, which is such a food paradise. Although it's convenient to eat out, I always love to cook for family and friends. And when I cook, I always use gas, because gas gives you a fire. And when you have fire, the food just tastes better. If you love to cook, kitchen safety is very important. That's why I always have a fire extinguisher and a fire blanket in the kitchen. But today I want to show you my latest safety device. This is a gas detector that's developed by City Gas. And what it can do is it can detect gas leaks in your kitchen. In case there's a gas leak, the alarm will sound. What you need to do is to turn off the alarm, open the windows and the doors to ventilate the room, and quickly call the emergency hotline. Due to its compact size, it can be placed in your kitchen, and you can install it yourself in 3 easy steps. Now I can have peace of mind knowing that my family is safe.